Hey guys, so this is how to mirror an image on Figma. So what you're gonna need to do is just open up Figma, whether the desktop application or the Figma website, and log into your account. Once you log in, just create a new design. And yep, I have a blank canvas here, so I can work with that. Now I have a cute picture of a cat that I found in Saudi Arabia. I'm just gonna use that. Just go back to Figma and drag it and drop it over here. So let me minimize that so we can see it. Oh, so cute. Now, what you're going to need to do is just over the image, just right click or click with two fingers, touch with two fingers on the trackpad if you're using macOS, and then go down to flip horizontally, and you have the shortcuts over here, the keyboard shortcuts that you can use, but I just want to demonstrate how you can use it using the mouse. So just click on that and it flips the image. So let me show you again. I'll duplicate it. Let's find the duplicate. Yep, here we go. So right click and then flip horizontal. There we go. Ooh. That's really cute. Anyways, so yeah, this is how easy it is. Hope that video is helpful.